Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been deactivated from a quite long time, and this is my second account. So yeah, now I'll be doing a lifestyle, something crazy. Let's see how it goes. By the way, I'm Sanjana Shah, and I basically live in Pune and Solapur. So yeah, I completed my graduation from School of Fashion Technology, and today I'm gonna do hair color. So these are the products I bought from Blinkit because and buy one get one. So this is natural brown, and the other one is black cherry. So I'm very confused and which color should I apply. Let's see. Let's ask my mom and come. So yeah. So hey guys, my mom warned me and told me that next month our some biggest function is coming on, so don't put some aisa color. I'm going with natural brown for this time. Let's see how it goes on. And by the way, Paradise has no ammonia, no resorcinol, PPD, everything is. I'm not promoting at all, okay? This is my own. Let's see. I'll mix it and get back to you. Hello guys, my mood is off because they have given this all things like how to apply, how to do everything. Like they even gave conditioner, and but they did not give me a brush. I'm like using another brush from Streaks Ka Mom ka hair color. It's fine, leave it. So now I'm like putting on gloves. Let's see. Now I got ready to apply hair color. Huh, huh. Here we go. मिक्स मम्मा स्ट्रिक्टली टोल्ड मी नॉट टू यूज घर के कोई भी बर्तन क्योंकि मैं सब गंदे कर देती हूँ तो शी हैज टोल्ड मी नॉट टू यूज एनी बर्तन आई एम यूजिंग दिस एंड मेरे बाकी के लाइक अदर प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए दूसरे बर्तन होता है हाउ टू अप्लाई गाइस आई एम लाइक सो पुअर इन डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स बट या let's do this partition first. Let's bring this hair here and this here. Then also here. Okay. So now let's start applying. Should I apply from here? Like start ऊपर से या नीचे से? Guys, मेरे को और एक बहन चाहिए थी. मेरे को सच्ची और एक बहन चाहिए थी. मम्मी पापा सिर्फ बहन ये सब करने के लिए स्किन केयर और बट वो मेरे कपड़े चुराती. अच्छा नहीं है. बस मैं नीचे के बालों को ज़्यादा लगा रही हूँ क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम मैं ना नीचे के बालों को बिल्कुल नहीं लगा था. गाइस मैं फिर आपको एक एक्सक्लूसिव टॉपिक बताऊंगी. अभी मैं कंप्लीट कर देती हूँ. So now it's story time guys because I'm done with all this. Apply and start. So अब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि हाँ पे ना इंडिया में अभी भी लड़कियों को बाहर भेज के पढ़ाई करने के लिए बहुत restrictions है. Like particularly my family is very open minded, okay, but when I go in like family functions or gatherings, there people talk about me, my family, of being open minded. I was from Solapur and my mom and dad sent me to Pune to like for studies and everything, and when I was 17 years old. So my dad was very chill, but the people used to say my dad कि आप भेज रहे हो but वहाँ पे like she will also become like one and everything. So then also he trusted me and he sent me. So firstly 3 years I was in hostel, but an incident occurred which was very heart touching for me. Like the thing happened first year when I was in Pune. That time my grandmother was in hospital fighting with cancer and everything. So I don't know how it occurred and everything. Like there were no symptoms of cancer, but then she faced out. But matlab I went in 2022 August and she got all this in 2023. So like and then she was very close to my heart, okay. So then she expired and उस टाइम पे वो जो रिचुअल्स होता है ना वहाँ पे 3 days का रिचुअल्स थे. तो थर्ड डे पे देयर वर लाइक ऑल फैमिली पीपल एंड एवरीवन केम. So there were 2 uncles. So they came to me and I was crying a lot. It was first day, yeah, I feel. It was first day I was crying a lot and they came to me and they were like, where are you these days and everything. So I was like, yeah, I'm in Pune and I'm doing fashion designing and my fees is 2 lakh something and hostel is 1.5. Like I was, they were asking me, so I was saying because I can't like be rude to them कि आपको क्या करना है वगैरह, because I'm never rude to anyone. So I was explaining them all my fee structure and they are like last में तू वैसे भी चूल्हा पानी करेगी, मतलब हमारी लैंग्वेज में इट्स लाइक कि घर में ही तो रहना है, चूल्हा पानी तो करेगी तो लड़के के साथ क्यों इतना पैसा बर्बाद कर रही है पापा का, पापा इतना मेहनत से कमा रहे हैं और तेरे लिए कमा रहे हैं, ऐसे he told me in my language, and he told me in very gouty language which I was like unable to get at that point because my all concentration was on matlab dadi. But I was crying a lot and that hit me so hard. Like, I can't see you. I came inside, my mom, my bua and my chachi were sitting. So I sat down, I was like, Mommy, why is he saying like this? I'm doing nothing wrong. And if I'm doing, I go to clubs, I go. But my mom, dad knows entire thing. I know my limits. It's not, you don't have to go, it's not you have to, like, there's a thin line, there's a thin line. Do whatever you feel like, but you must know your limits. You must know from where you belong, from where, like, which family, what your dad and mom are struggling of. So I like 3 years I did nothing. Last year it was my final year, so I went clubbing. I did jobs in clubbing. Like, I did management and everything in clubs. I lived my life. But the way he spoke was like literally in my mind each and every day. And they were like 4 or 5 uncles and they were like talking this. And regularly my dad being from Gujarat, it's like small town. Then also he's far open-minded. Like, for me and for everyone, it's very open-minded. But इतना भी we can't expect. Like, अगर मैं बोलूँगी पापा मैं दिन में मैं सोलापुर में शॉर्ट्स पहन के घूमूंगी, नहीं, बिकॉज आई मस्ट ऑल्सो नो कि वेयर शुड आई वेयर वॉट, राइट. सो ही इज क्वाइट ओपन माइंडेड नाउ विद द पीपल. लाइक, oh my god, this is just one like incident. And I was in first year and I was like कि अब इनको proof करना पड़ेगा यार. I am not made to, like, I'll do all responsibilities. I'll cook food for my husband, but that doesn't mean कि I'll only do that. I even have a life beyond that. I'll even have a business, because I'll even go for a job which is good. So guys, girls, whatever you're doing, you're being judged. Don't care, just know your limits, do whatever you feel like, and lots of love. And this is a small incident. Like, in 4 years of my life I literally came across lots and lots of incidents, like situationships and everything. And I don't know, like, even in boys manner, like my friends also, they also have so many experiences of men. Not even men, I don't hate men, to be very honest, but some men are really very, and even women, like these days women are also being women. They are playing that victim card, sympathy, and they don't know what to do in their lives. That is so bad. Like, girls, go get a life. Now I'll go and I'll come tomorrow with another story time, but I'll show you this after I wash. I am back. And ये देखो गाइस, बहुत अभी तो दिखेगा ही नहीं, वो कैसे है कि 1-2 घंटे बाद कलर आता है और 1-2 दिन बाद प्रॉपर आता है, और वो सनलाइट रिफ्लेक्शन में प्रॉपर दिखता है. बट तब भी गाइस, जब मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में आऊँगी तो यू विल सी द कलर एविडेंटली, होपफुली. Okay guys, done for the day. Now I'll go sleep off. Bye bye. See me in next videos guys.